What's up, guys? Start the video off with an obnoxiously loud cold start. Why not? Today's video we're going to be doing some maintenance stuff and as well changing a couple things on the truck that I think is really going to change the attitude and was just needed. Just got some McDonald's. Also, we just went and picked up some oil because I've got to do an oil change on this thing today. I've been putting it off for too long. It's gone longer than I like to take it, and so that's happening today. First things first, we got to bring back baby squat. So I've been rocking the leveled look for quite a while, and I know a lot of y'all like that, but you know what, we gotta bring it back. We gotta give the truck a little bit of attitude again, and the leveled life is great. It looks good. I know a lot of y'all like it. Like I'm saying, how can this truck be called baby squat when it's leveled? We gotta bring the baby squat back. So drop shackles going back in. Let's get it going. And just like that, baby squat is back. A little 30-minute drop shackle install. Only a tiny little bit of blood to prove that I actually did it, but you know, just a nice little little lean back to her, a little bit of aggressive stance. Obviously, we've had this bed cover on here for a long time, and I've really enjoyed it, liked it a lot. I feel like it looks amazing on there, kind of the street truck look, but that's not exactly what we're fixing to go for the moment. So we're actually about to bum my toolbox and whip off of Larry, slap it on here, and see if I want to rock the toolbox for a while. Maybe get a chrome one, maybe get a black one. We'll see in the future, but I don't want to just go buy a new one and then not be crazy. But I always had a toolbox, always had my whip on all my trucks, but for this one I went with a bed cover, and I really like it, but we're gonna change it up. So we stealing the toolbox off of Larry. All right, so before we go removing the bed cover, we need to address something because y'all probably saw it in the thumbnail. Interrupting real quick because I just realized this is the 1000th video I have pushed publish on. That's absolutely insane. I have 1,000 public videos on my YouTube channel, which is, it's pretty crazy. That's a freaking ton of videos, but I've been doing this for so long and I just absolutely love it. So I want to jump in the video real quick. I know this is probably at the front where I'm towards the end of the video currently, and just say a big thank you to everyone that has been along with this journey. Shabuya. Yes, sir. X comps in the house. We'll talk more about these. For now, let's get the bed cover off, slap the toolbox on here, see how she looks. And just like that, the bed cover is off. That thing has held up amazing. I really enjoyed it. I'll have a link to the video where I installed that. It has all the information about it in the description of this one if you want to check that out. This is probably going to be the end to our bed liner. As you can see, the bed liner's held up great. This is Herky liner. If you want to see that, I'll put a link to that in the description. But it's been underneath there, so it's been shaded, and of course it hasn't faded because of that. Whereas now it's going to be out in the elements and probably get toasted and not look that great here in a couple months. But it's a cheap thing. I can go over it again with just the paint part of it and it'd be no problem. However, it's time to slap the toolbox on here, give it a whole new look. Sorry, Larry, we stealing stuff off you, bud. That freaking thing is 1,000,000 degrees. Too bad for using Armor All. That's all I got right now, so I don't really care. Alright, so I got this off of Amazon. A little toolbox lockdown. Hopefully the bolt is big enough so I don't have to grow. It's just barely. All right, perfect. And just like that, toolbox is on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. With the whip. I like that a lot. I have never had the toolbox on here, so it's definitely a good change of pace. And you know, we're changing stuff, dude. Oh yeah, I dig it. I dig it. So next thing, I gotta do an oil change. Also need to wash this thing, and I need to talk to y'all about the X-Comps. So let's do a really quick oil change for anyone that wants to see, and for anyone that wants a more in-depth look, I'll have a link to that video in the description as well. Get your oil filter. Inspect your oil filter before you drain your oil. That way, if something's messed up, then you don't have a useless truck and the inability to drive back to the store. Pop hood, open hood, remove cap, and dipstick. Light, oil drain, 15 mil, oil wrench, creeper if you got one. Nah. Give her a little pre-fill straight down the middle. Oh Lord. Make sure your oil filter seal did not stay on the truck. Throw your drain bolt back in. We done down here. 5 quarts. 6, 7. Make sure it actually went in your engine and not into an alternate dimension. Open a garage door. Crank it and pray you have oil pressure. Let it idle for a couple minutes. We do have an 1/8 quart to put in it, but we want to just make sure we don't overfill it. Right there at the bottom dot. So we're going to go ahead and throw about 3/4 of that other quart in here. Check her out again. And we are perfect. Oil change done. Get your owner's manual out, write down date, what oil, what filter, and your miles so you know for the future and to keep your warranty. Hold your check mark. Oh goodness, copyright, whoa. All right, 100%. I forgot this has been bugging the ever-loving crap out of me. That was a fail. Those 2 tennis balls that are right there, do you mind? Dad, you took my first 2 balls. Why the frick would I care about these? All right, so I've been teasing it enough. What's up with the Gladiators? Well, a lot of y'all really wanted me to go this route, and I was really indecisive because I did want to lower the truck and go the whole 420 route, which I probably am still going to do at some point. But before I do that, you know what? We had to go ahead and get some X-Comps. These are definitely one of my favorite tires on the. They're my favorite tire on the market. Period. I think I even like them better than Mud Graps now, and that's saying a lot because I'm a huge Mud Grap fan. But these things are just insane looking. I mean, they're so beefy. These side lugs that stick out, dude, they look insane. The pictures, video, they just look so aggressive. And so I had to get some X-Comps. Ever since I saw these, they're insane. And they actually have a lot more tread than I thought they would, because I always see them used on trucks and stuff, and they're usually like way lower than this. So all those ads you see on Facebook, these people trying to sell their setups, and they're like 50% tread. Nah, they got like 20% tops, because like this is a lot of tread, and most of them for sale on Facebook don't got a lot of tread. But 35, 12, 50, 24 inch X-Comps, so definitely coming very soon. Like I said, Baby Squat is changing. Baby Squat is fixing to change, and at the end of the day, I just had to break down and say, you know what, I love it how it is, but it's time to change. And so if we completely ruin the truck, we can always bring it back. But I think it's going to be an awesome experience, completely changing it, going from what it is now, the Stormtrooper look, to different. I'm just going to leave it at that. It's going to be completely different. We're going to leave it at that. So with that being said, definitely look forward to some good Gladiator XComp 24. I ain't gonna talk about the wheels, but we got wheels coming. They're supposed to be here today. We'll see how long it actually takes for them to get here. Anyways, a lot more of that information in a future video. Larry is filthy and crying without a toolbox. We're definitely gonna have to get a toolbox. I'm running late right now, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all to end this video off here in a little bit. All right, guys, we're gonna finish the video off here. We're about to go get on the river, but we had to get one last look at Baby Squat featuring Trail Boss. But I'm digging in. Little Baby Squat back action. Baby Squat back action. Wow. Little Baby Squat action is back, as well as the old toolbox whip, and we got some tennis balls on there. I don't know about it. Y'all hear Lauren over there screaming? She hollering. Oh Lord help. I think she might be at the neighbor's house. I don't know. Anyways, finish the video off here. Awesome content coming. Y'all know the Gladiators. They're gonna be here. I'm excited to pick up the wheels Monday. I'm sure we'll see him on the Trail Boss as well, so it's gonna be sick. Larry, we're gonna see him on everything, but as soon as I get those, then I can put the 22s on Larry, and it's gonna be sick. So hopefully y'all did enjoy this video. Random, I know, but 1000th video. Had to make something cool, had to speak on it, and so anyways, that's it. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. See you in the next one.